I just received for my review this gas lighter refill. So this is butane, and it is a bigger size. It actually is a 2-pack as well, which is great. But the really cool thing with this is right here, actually, because it does come with 5 different adapters. So you'll be able to adapt the nozzle with the 5 different adapters depending on what you are going to inject it in, obviously. So that's a really nice thing. I love the size. Obviously, I never like to just like, you're always running out of these things at the wrong time. I do have a torch right here, and it actually is refillable from the bottom, and it needs to be refilled right now. So we're going to do that right now. All you need to do, like a regular butane refill, literally as soon as you insert that end, it's going to push in. I usually just go a little bit more in spurts. I don't want to do a full. Shake it. And there we go. This is fantastic. 300 milliliters. Really, really nice. What I love about this one is that it doesn't have any odor. It's a really nice, clean flame, clean butane flame, which is great because if you're lighting a cigar, things like that, you don't want, or even a smoker, you don't want to add that kind of butane, that regular butane smell. This is 99.9997 pure butane, so it's really nice. And look at that. Big flame, perfect. Love that. And like I said, odorless. We love that around here. Love also that it's a 2-pack.